In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Toncoin, whether you're American or not, in a restricted area or not, and then how to bridge it, right? How to send it from one network or chain over to another, and how to send and receive from an exchange into your wallet. So without further ado, let's get started. So we're going to go to ton.org, as you can see on my screen. I'm going through this with you guys, so this is real time. We're going to go to use because that just makes sense, right? You want to use Ton. Then these are the options you're going to see: get wallet, get Ton, stake, etc., etc. So first off, let's go get some Ton. Okay, I happen to already have some. It's on my Bybit account. So this is where we go, right? So you get to choose your option. You can buy it with a bank card. You can buy it on a peer-to-peer market or on a crypto exchange. I bought mine through Bybit, as I said, so that would have been through the crypto exchange. So just for the sake of this moment, these are the options, right? So you can buy it through the Telegram bot at wallet. So if you already have Telegram, we know that in crypto, Telegram is really popular. Everyone uses it. So if you want to get the wallet, you would type in at wallet. You can also go to Cryptobot. You'd click right here and then it would sync you up. So let's click on it. See, it says open on Telegram, and then you would have to click on open on Telegram. Otherwise, you can go to Qcoin, as you can see on my screen right here, OKX, Bit, and Bybit. I bought it on Bybit. You will find my link below if you want to sign up. Otherwise, no worries. You can also buy it on PancakeSwap. This would be called a DEX, right? Decentralized exchange. Uniswap, which I happen to personally use a lot. CoinEx, Hitbit, etc., right? And I will just say that if you are from a highly regulated country or like the US, for instance, then Uniswap or PancakeSwap would be best for you because they won't require KYC, right? So this is where you would buy it on an exchange. What I think is very awesome about Ton, and we hear this all the time in crypto, is that crypto and the actually very valuable and meaningful crypto technology won't take off until it is user friendly. And that mainly means if you can just use your credit card to buy it, then that's what the world needs, right? We don't need to make things harder for new people. And maybe if you're new, then welcome to crypto. So it's exciting. You can buy it just with your bank card. And to do that, once again, you would go, these are the options, right? You would go to at wallet.
Open your Telegram app, go to settings, and click on wallet. Here you will see your total balance, and underneath will be the send, add crypto, exchange, and sell buttons. Below is the list of tokens available on Telegram wallet. To deposit funds into your account, tap add crypto. As of the moment, you have 3 ways to add funds to your Telegram account: bank card, P2P market, and external wallet. In this video, I will be using an external wallet to deposit Toncoin to my account. Select the crypto you want to deposit. Let me pick Toncoin. Hit continue. Here you can scan the QR code, copy or share your deposit address. Let me copy mine. Now go to your external wallet where you have the fund. In my case, I will use my HTX account. Make sure to select the same token, which is Toncoin, and paste your deposit address here from your Telegram wallet.
And this would pretty much be the same on any exchange or other wallet that you're using to send yourself Toncoin. Just want to say that.
To input address tag unless your TonWallet has it. In my case, it doesn't show any memo or address tag, so I'll leave it blank. Input the amount of withdrawal. The fee is only 0.01 Ton. Once all is set, you tap the withdraw. Confirm if everything is correct as the process is irreversible. Tap confirm. Complete security verification. Awesome, my withdrawal request has been submitted. Let's wait a few minutes before it arrives in my Telegram wallet. Later.
So that's it. So if you're not American, that would work quite easily and seamless for you. And if you are American, your option is this. From tons.org website, right? We went to wallets. This is what we're looking at. You would scroll over the wallet you want to use. In my case, we know that Tonkeeper is the most popular, but MyTonWallet has the highest reviews in Google Play Store and Apple iOS Store. So as you can see right now, you just hover over it, right? So MyTonWallet, I think my face is covering this. I'm going to scroll up. These are the options, right? I'm going to click on Chrome extension, and then you would add it to Chrome. So you go ahead and do that. It's going to ask you for permission. You're going to say yes. And I moved my face so you can see it, but you can see on the bottom, on the opposite side of the screen, you will see I created a wallet. It's going to give you the option to connect your biometrics, but I'm going to use password. So you click on password, create a password. It's probably going to prompt me to make a strong one, or it didn't. So for the sake of this video, I will make it very simple. You guys can't see it. That's on purpose. Continue. It's going to ask you to accept all of its disclosure information. Okay, great. On the next screen, you will see the secret words, right? You're supposed to write them down. Let me get my handy pen. All right, so this is very important. It's always very important to manage your passwords very carefully. So I'm confirming and very conscious that now it's going to show me my secret words. This is like how you access your vault, right? Your wallet. You guys know this if you've been in crypto for a while, but if you're not, then this is so important. So okay, so they allow you to open your wallet if you lose it. We know this. Then you're going to click understood. These are my 24 secret words. Extremely important. So I'm going to go ahead and write them down. In this case, we're doing it together so you can see it. So I will never use this wallet again, but it's item, curve, tilt, alter. All right. All right, so now it's gonna put us through a test. So it's gonna ask us, which are words number 11, 14, and 24? Got it. So let's continue. And now you can see I have my wallet successfully set up. And guys, if your password is ever exposed, as mine has been for the case of this video, then it's okay. All you do is you literally just go up to your extensions and you just remove it. You remove it, and by removing it, you delete it, and then it's gone forever. And then you simply go back to your Google. In this case, we found the wallet straight off of the website, right? ton.org. But you can also just literally go to Google and type in TonWallet extension, and it will give you a list. We all know how to use Google, so that's what you would do. And then you just download it again, and you'd go through the same process again. So maybe if you're new, you don't know how to do this, so I just thought I would share this. So in my case, I'm not concerned because I can just delete it. So this is my wallet. I have a $0 balance because I just set it up. If you can see my mouse, I'm hovering over my wallet address. So to copy it, right, to send money to this wallet, you will need to share this wallet address. So I would click on it, right? And then I could send it to, like from my MetaMask, I could send it here. Or in my case, I have Ton on Bybit, my exchange account, and it would be sent here. For the sake of this video, I will send a little bit of my Ton here. So just hang tight. We're going to hop over. So we copied it, right? We copied it. Now let's hop over to my Bybit account. As you can see, I have some Ton here. So you click on it. It's in my funding account. And I'm going to click withdraw, right? I want to withdraw it. So we're withdrawing Ton. We're going to paste here the address that I had just copied over. Right, so we pasted it. It's on Ton, right? And then it wants me to include a memo. So I'm not sure. Let's go back to see what this is all about. Ton, when adding, receive with QR code or invoice. This is my address. We already copied that, but let's do it again anyway. I don't see that they give us any form of memo. So I'm going to just disregard that. I might just see, and it says it's optional, so I'm just gonna put like test. Who cares? Keep moving forward. I am not gonna send everything, as I said. So it says my minimum is 0.2. So this is what I'm gonna send myself right now. And then I'm gonna confirming. And then it's going to ask me to confirm the withdrawal, right? See, withdrawal application submitted, confirm. Fantastic. So now that 0.02% is on its way to my Ton wallet. So let's go check it out. As you can see, nothing is displayed yet on my Ton wallet because it does take a few minutes. It's not automatic. So we'll just wait. See, so now you can see it. $1.43 in my Ton wallet. So this is fantastic. So now we officially are in business. We're using our Ton wallet. But what happens if you want to send it, right? Like say you want to send it to a different wallet, right? So let's go check that out. So we're on the website here. It's ton.org. We'll click on use. See, these are all the different options. So you can get Ton. I just showed you that, I bought it on Bybit. So if you want to buy Ton, you can buy it with your bank card, right? Directly through one of these wallets, as I just showed you. You can buy it through a peer-to-peer market, right? Buying it directly from other people. And this would happen on open network within your Telegram app, as all of these exist within Telegram. But as you would know, I'm American. We just went through this. I can't actually show you myself, but I did show you how to do it, right? The next option is you can buy it on an exchange. And these are the exchanges that you can buy it on. And these are pretty much its pairs. USDT, can you see my screen? USDT, USDC, Bitcoin, Ethereum. This token I'm not familiar with, INR, TWD, and BRL. So you can also go to CoinGecko, but let's take you over to CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap, you type in Ton at the top. Show this Ton here. It's currently up. It's $7 and the equivalent to $7.17. It's doing very well. And to see where you can buy it, you can also go to markets here at the top. And these are all of the exchanges and all of its pairs. Now keep in mind, it's native to its own blockchain, right? Open network, which is what Telegram runs on. So that is its native blockchain or native network upon which you can buy and sell and send Toncoin. But you can, as we'll see in a second, so let's go back to the website. And if you go under use and you click bridge, which is what you use to send Ton from one network, say to Ethereum, right, or to BNB, you would have to bridge it. And there's going to be the equivalent of Toncoin on that other network, but because it's not native to that other network, it's called wrapped. So I'm sure you've heard of like wrapped Ethereum or wrapped BTC, Bitcoin. There's wrapped Ton that will exist on Ethereum or BNB. right? So we go to bridge. And let's just go ahead and do the exercise. This is real time. I haven't done it before, so we're going to do it together. And let's just practice. So here it'll ask you, right, which asset do you want to send? I'm going to say Toncoin, but just to show you, as I clicked on it, now we see a drop-down menu of the other tokens that have a partnership basically with Toncoin that allow you, that are allowed to be sent and received and operate across Telegram's network, open network, right? So we have USDC DAI, which is from MakerDAO, wrapped BTC, wrapped Bitcoin. This is JUSDT is Ton's version of USDT. So it's like a wrapped in a way USDT. And then there's some other tokens, right? Because we know that they have some of their own trending meme coins as well. They have Redo, it's their dog meme coin, and they also have, what is it? Katzen or Kitezen, their cat meme as well. So for the sake of this video, because we just moved some Toncoin, we're going to click Toncoin, how much we want to send. We know we only have like, what is it? Let's send like 0.15 Toncoin. And what destination do we want to send it to? Right? Well, we're just to experiment. Yeah, let's send it to Ethereum network. Oh, it wants us to send at least 10 Toncoin. I don't have 10 Toncoin in my wallet, so I can't do this with you right now. But if you did, then you would type in 10 and your destination wallet, Ethereum on Ethereum's network. So your MetaMask, right? I would show you, but this is my actual MetaMask, so I'm not going to show you. But you know, if you don't know how to use MetaMask, I have a whole video on just how to use MetaMask. I will link it in the description, so you can go click on that, or just go to my playlist and it's there. Very easy. So you would copy your MetaMask address, put it in here, connect the wallet, and send it. So that's pretty much it, guys. So I showed you how to buy Toncoin on Telegram if you are not in a restricted area and of a restricted nationality. Unfortunately, I am, and a VPN didn't work for me. I use VPNs for pretty much everything, and they always work, but in this case, they did not. So if that's you, then I also shared with you option number 2, or option B, which is you simply want to go to the website and click, you know, hover over the wallet. So like just put your mouse over the wallet that you want to use. Tonkeeper and MyTonWallet are the 2 most widely used. You click, just hover over it, and it'll give you a drop-down menu. And then from there, just simply click on the extension option, which you can also just go to your Play Store, your Google Play Store, or your iOS Apple Store and search for it. And you just download it, make sure you pin the extension to your browser, and then that's it. You can buy Toncoin there directly. And you can find the address. Well, we just saw it on Tong's website. There's the option to buy it, and the address is listed there. If not, you go to CoinMarketCap and or CoinGecko, and you type in Ton, and it will show you the contract address, and that's how you buy it, right? So anyway, I hope you found this useful. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'm happy to explain it in more detail. But otherwise, good luck, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Take care. Ciao.